Good morning, students. I am Narazu, Maths Faculty in Target Aspirant Tadpatri. Today we discuss about some more important theorems. Good morning, students. This theorem is very important while in academic examinations. So observe page number 211 in theorem 8.6. What is the statement observed? So to prove a theorem, we know that 6 steps are there. First one is statement, figure, given, RTP, construction, and also proof. We know very well. So this statement, observe the statement, all of you. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. So statement is given. We go for figures. So according to this statement, we draw two triangles. Why? Because of here two similar triangles. Already given two similar triangles. So let me take an ABC, one triangle, and also DEF also another triangle. DEF, ABC, DEF. Right? Both are similar to each other. Right? Observe the next step, that is given part. What is given? Observe. Both triangles are similar. So then that implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Both are similar means both angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So then that implies angle A equal to angle D, and next one angle B equal to angle D, and also angle C equal to angle F. And also and so AB by DE, next BC by EF, next AC by DF. You know very well. So then that implies AB by DE equal to next BC by EF equal to next AC by DF. So by taking the first statement, we taken two statements like this. Let's go for RTP. So what we proved here? Observe here the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. That means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by, so corresponding sides here, AB and also DE, next BC and EF, AC and DF. The ratio of squares of their corresponding sides are equal. Then that implies AB by DE whole square. equal to, and the next BC by EF. whole square equal to AC by DF whole square. Yes. Next, observe here. Construction. What is the construction? Observe here it is. Yes, let me take one construction part. So here we are taken throw A, we are taken AM, and also throw D, we are taken DN. Okay, here observe AM is perpendicular to BC. Next, DN is perpendicular to EF. So here construction throw A, and here AM is perpendicular to BC. That means angle M equal to 90 degrees. And also throw D. Here also as the same. DN is perpendicular to EF. Right. Observe proof, students. Proof. Yes, from the figures, observe carefully all of you. From the figures, yes, area of triangle ABC we have taken. Why? Because of the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. Directly we have taken ratio of areas of triangles. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF. Observe, students, here. We know that what is area of triangle formula? General formula: half into base into height. Half into base into height. Height nothing but altitude we have taken in geometry part. So here in triangle ABC, which is the base? BC as a base, AM as altitude, nothing but height. And comes to second triangle, EF as a base, DM as a height. So then that implies half into base into height formula applied here. In area of triangle ABC equal to half into base value, it becomes BC into AM by half into comes to the DF triangle, EF as a base and DM as a height. Half into base into height, and same as is applied in second triangle also. In both triangles, half of get cancelled. What you get finally? Observe carefully, which implies BC into AM by EF into DN. So like this bracket stated, BC by EF as one ratio, AM by DN another ratio. Isn't it? Yes. We are taken, which is equation number 1, students. Observe. Statement, observe, students. How approach the solution carefully. Once I repeat, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Which one taken as given and also RT? Observe carefully. Two similar triangles given. So let me take an ABCDEF also two similar triangles. Yes, in given part, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. According to the roots of similar triangles, what is the rules? First condition is angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E. Sorry for this here. Angle B equal to angle E. Next, angle C equal to angle F here. Next one, AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Okay, and RTP. What we proved here? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. That means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF whole square equal to AC by DF whole square. Squares of ratio of corresponding sides. And comes to construction part. Here through A, we draw one perpendicular line. AM is perpendicular to BC, and also through D, DN is perpendicular to F. Means angle N equal to 90, angle M also 90. And comes to proof what? We know very well what is area of a triangle formula: half into base into height. So then from the figure, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to half into base into height applied here. Half into BC into AM by half into AF into DN. Half of get cancelled. Then BC into AM by EF into DN. Right? Comes to here. BC by EF one ratio, AM by DN another ratio. Right? Okay, students, shall I claim this? So first one, BC by EF. BC by EF. BC by EF. By taking area of triangle ABC, we can get the result easily. And second one, AM and DN. AM and DN. Here I take ABM and DEN. Both triangles are similar or not? We check it, students. So first of all, triangles ABM, triangles ABM and DEN, ABM and DEN. So observing that, we know that in similar triangles ABC is similar to DF. That means angle B equal to angle E. Isn't it? Yes. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. So I take this part only, angle B equal to angle E, because of in construction means in given part already. That means angle B equal to angle E since given. And comes to second one. So here AM is perpendicular to BC means angle BM equal to 90 degrees. Here also DN is perpendicular to EF means angle N equal to 90 degrees. That means angle M equal to angle N equal to 90 degrees. How it is 90 degrees? By construction. Since by construction. Right? So in both triangles, if two angles are equal means by area similarity, both triangles are similar to each other. Two angles only. Why? Because of in third angle, how to find out some of the angles property applied here, we can get third angle also. If any two angles or three angles also equal, by applying area similarity, we can get both triangles are similar to each other. That means here triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. How can get? So upward here. So just a minute, students. By AA similarity. By AA similarity. By AA similarity. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEN. Okay. So if both triangles are similar means their corresponding ratio is same also. Then that implies AB by DE equal to AM by DN. AM by DN. Then that implies AB by DE equal to next BM by EN equal to next AM by DN. From equation 1, we find AM by DN ratio. So AM by DN. If three ratios are equal, any two ratios also equal. We know very well. Then AB by DE equal to AM by DN, which implies here we have taken AB by DE equal to AM by DN. Which is equation number 2, students. Right. Next we find third ratio. So observe here BC by EF. BC where it is BC and also EF go through ABC triangle along with DF triangle. In given part ABC is similar to DF. Is it given or not? Yes. So the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, already given according to the problem. If both triangles are similar means automatically their ratio is equal. Here AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. We find BC by EF only. So then that implies AB by DE equal to BC by EF. No need to third ratio. Why? Because of any three ratios are equal, any two also equal. If three ratios are equal, any two also equal. So comfortably we have taken AB by DE equal to BC by EF, which is equation number 3. So observe here, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF into AM by DN. So BC by EF replace AB by DE substitute, and AM by DN replace AB by DE substitute. So from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Directly we have taken here from 1, 2, 3 equations. So BC by EF replace AB by DE, AB by DE into AM by DN replace also AB by DE, AB by DE. So then that implies AB by DE into AB by DE, AB square by DE square, AB square by DE square. Okay, student. Similarly, we are taken remaining also. So from article observe AB by DE whole square, next BC by EF whole square, AC by DF whole square. We are taken here. Similarly, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to remaining sides also we are taken directly, students. That is BC by BC square by EF square equal to next one AC square by DF square, AC square by DF square. Here also 1, 2, 3. We conclude that finally. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE. So AB square by DE square means we are taking square as a common factor. AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF. BC by EF whole square equal to AC by DF whole square. This is the theorem. Therefore, hence it is proved. Simply, hence proved. This is the way of approachment, students. Therefore, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF whole square equal to AC by DB, AC by DF. This is DF. AC by DF whole square. This is very, very important theorem. Practice carefully, learn carefully, keep in your mind, memorize in your mind always. Okay. Right, students. Observe some more theorems on related areas. Already we discussed the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. That theorem, using that theorem, we proved remaining theorems also. Here observe, the areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding altitudes. Okay, we have taken two similar triangles like ABC and also DEF as is here, right? So then that implies first given part. Okay. Corresponding altitudes. Okay. Here we have taken two altitudes, that is AL. Altitude nothing but angle L equal to 90 degrees. Here also as the same taken DM angle M equal to 90 degrees. Right. Comes to given part. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and also AL, DM are corresponding altitudes, or simply AL, DM are altitudes, or better to corresponding altitudes. Okay, students. Right. What is RTP? What will prove here? Observe. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AL square by DM square. AL square by DM square. So construction as usual. Construction. Yes, throw AL perpendicular to BC and also DM perpendicular to EF, or simply AL and DM are altitudes of triangle ABC and triangle EDEF, or simply, so here AL is perpendicular to BC and DM is perpendicular to EF. DM is perpendicular to EF. Last part of the step, that is proof. What observe students? Proof. We know very well. We know that what is previous theorem? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to, yes, we have taken one side only, that is AB square by, so AB square by DE whole square, AB square by DE whole square, which is equation number 1. Okay students, here right, next one. And comes to we proved, next we have taken ABL triangle and also DEM also triangle. Comes to this side, triangles, simply like this, triangles ABL and DEM. It is ABL DEM. Order is very important in geometry part, students. So then that implies both are similar, already given according to the problem. That means angle B equal to angle E. We know that angle B equal to angle E. Next second one, angle L equal to angle M. Angle L equal to angle M equal to 90 degrees. By AA similarity, triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM. Okay, so observe here, both triangles are similar to each other, means their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then we have taken AB by DE equal to, directly we have taken AL by DM, and also BL by EM also. No need to third ratio, we have taken directly. Therefore, AB by DE equal to AL by DM, which is equation number 2. Or we can take a square also directly. So then that implies AB by DE equal to AL by DM. Their square also equal ratio, isn't it? Then that implies AB by DE whole square. AB by DE whole square means AB square by DE whole square equal to, next one, AL square by DM whole square, which is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, observe here, AB square by DE square equal to AL square by DM square. So what we conclude here? Therefore, from 1 comma 2, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AL square by DM square. AL square by DM square. Here that means, observe here the area of two similar triangles are in the same ratio is equal to, in previous theorem, the ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Okay, here what will we conclude? The ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes also. So sides, square of sides, square of altitude also. We have taken medians along with angular bisector also we proved, students. Okay, next observe next theorem. The areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding medians. Before theorem we discussed altitudes, here medians, students. So we draw a diagrams like this. ABC and DF are two similar triangles, and here AB and DQ are medians. AB and DQ are medians. Comes to the given part. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and AB, DQ are medians. AB, DQ are medians. Okay, students. And comes to RTP. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB square by DQ square. We proved here. Yes, by using construction part. AP. Here observe. P and Q are midpoints of triangle ABC. Sorry, BC and EF. BC and EF. And AB, DQ are medians. AB, DQ are medians. This is the construction part. And comes to proof, we know that as usual, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square, or BC square by EF square and AC square by DF square. Also you can take any one is right. And comes to second one. So let me consider which is equation number 1. And the second one observe, already given triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So here learn carefully. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Right? We have taken the ratio AB by DE. AB by DE equal to, right, BC by EF. BC by EF. I take just two ratios only. AB by DE equal to BC by EF. BC means we have taken 2BE. Isn't it or not? Why? Because of why? What is the reason? B is a midpoint of BC. That means BC replace we have taken 2BB. 2BB by, and EF replace what we taken here? 2EQ. 2EQ. Okay, 2 to get cancelled. What you get finally? BP by EQ. So that means of course students, AB by DE equal to BP by EQ. Yes, squaring on both sides. Then that implies AB square by DE square equal to next BP square by sorry for that, no need to hear. Okay, here observe AB by DE equal to BP by EQ. Okay, na? Right. Here we have taken observe. By applying both triangles are similar or not, check it students. How it is? AB by DE equal to BP by EQ. One ratio you can get AB by DE equal to BP by EQ and so here angle B equal to angle E, both are equal. Why? Because of both triangles are similar to each other. Then that implies here angle B equal to angle E. Observe here which criterion can be applied. Observe here AB by DE and also BP by EQ. So here two sides are included angle. That means which congruence can be applied? By SAS congruency. So here by SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Then triangle ABM. Triangle ABM is similar to triangle DEQ. Triangle DEQ. Okay. So both triangles are similar to means their ratio also equal. Then that implies AB by DE equal to AB by DE equal to AB by DQ. AB by DQ. So here we have taken directly their square also taken. Okay, here students, shall I clean this? So next one. Here ratios are equal, their square also equal. So and again AB square by DE square equal to next one AB square by DQ square, which is equation number 2. So here next comparing both one from equation 1 and 2. 1 and 2 here. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DF is equal to AB square by DE square. Here AB square by DE square equal to AP square by DP square. Equating remaining, then the replace. Finally, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AP square by DQ square. AP square by DQ square. Hence it is proved. This is the second theorem, students, by using main theorem, and also we proved next theorem. Right. Observe, students, it is also theorem third one. The areas of two similar triangles are in the ratio of the squares of the corresponding angular bisectors. Angular bisectors. Right. We draw two triangles, similar triangles ABC and also DEF. Through AX and DY are drawn angular bisectors. Let me consider given part ABC similar to triangle DF and AX and DY are angular bisector. What we proved here, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AX square by DY square. Next one, construction. Through A and D we draw AX and DY. These are angular bisector, and comes to prove, students. So from the figure we know very well. So in starting basic theorem, area of triangle ABC, the ratio of area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB square by DE square. AB square by DE square, which is equation number 1. We know very well. And comes to both triangles are similar or not, already given according to the problem. Then triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay. In both are similar, means angle A equal to angle D. Is it or not? Then angle A equal to angle D. Right. By Euclid axiom, yes, half angle A equal to half angle D. Is it clear, all of you? By Euclid axiom, half angle A means we have taken angle BAX equal to angle EBY. Angle BAX equal to angle EDY. Right. Here observe, angle B equal to angle E. Why? Because of both are similar triangles. Then that implies angle B equal to angle E. So here angle BAX equal to angle CDY. Both angles are equal, and here also angle B equal to angle E. By AA similarity, both triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY. Why? By AA similarity, both are similar to each other. And comes to take these values, AB by DE. Both are similar means their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So AB by DE equal to AX by DY. AX by dy. We have taken square also. Squaring on both sides. AB square by DE square equal to AX square by dy square, which is equation number 2. So from 1, 2. So finally what we conclude? Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to, so here AX square by DY square. Hence it is proved. In academic textbook, this theorem not there, but we explain theorem also. So practice carefully in your rough notebook, students. Don't forget it. We have taken related problems also. Right. Here observe, students. Finally, what we conclude that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of. So number 1, here of the students, the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides and number 2, corresponding altitudes and third one, corresponding medians and fourth one, corresponding angular bisectors and fifth one, corresponding perimeters. Okay, here are the students. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding sides, altitudes, medians, angular bisectors and perimeters. Perimeters means we have taken already in previous. So how it is? The ratio, if two triangles are similar to each other, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means observe here, AB by DE, or we have taken better to here it is AB by, we have taken triangle ABC. ABC and also DF. Two similar triangles taken, students. So then AB by DE equal to, next BC by EF equal to, and also AC by DF. Equal to. Okay, we are taken adding the numerator by adding the denominator, that is AB plus BC plus AC by, next one, DE plus EF plus AF. Suppose, for example, we have taken here 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6. 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6. Okay, yes, adding the numerators, then that implies 1 plus 2 plus 3 by here 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 1 plus 2, that 3 plus 3 becomes 6 by 4 12. So cancel, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 4 nothing but 1 by 2, 3 by 6 nothing but 1 by 2. So AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF equal to sum of numerator by sum of denominator also equal ratio. So we know very well, then that implies AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Here AB plus BC plus AC nothing but perimeter. That means perimeter of triangle DEF by perimeter of triangle upward ABC by triangle DEF. Here AB by DE whole square means automatically perimeter of triangle ABC whole square by perimeter of triangle DEF whole square. So here ratio of side equal to ratio of perimeters of triangles. So like that we conclude finally. So the ratio of areas of two similar also is equal to the ratio of squares of corresponding perimeters. So this value equal to this 5 values, students. Very important. Do refer and practice it. And we are discussing next level, discussing related problems also. Right, students, observe related theorems. we discussed in previous areas of similar triangles ratio. Right? Observe here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas are respectively 64 square centimeters and 121 square centimeters. If EF equal to 15.4 centimeter, then find BC. According to this problem, first we draw a two triangles like aside. Here, what they given? ABC, ABC, and also DEF. Right. Here, next EF value, EF equal to 15.4. Find the corresponding side BC. And also areas values are given. Triangle ABC this value, and also triangle area DEF area. So by using the theorem, solution given as well. Solution given. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Area of triangle DEF equal to, we know very well, BC by EF whole square. BC by EF whole square. Okay. This square transferred to left side becomes square root. What is area of triangle ABC value there? 64. Then that implies 64 by 121. Okay. This square value transferred left side becomes square root. Square root. Yes, BC value we don't know. BC by EF value 15.4. Okay, which implies what is the square root of 64 and 121? Yes, it becomes 8 by 11. So 8 by 11 equal to BC by 15.4. Okay, cancel with the denominator values. 11 1 is 11. 11 4 ja 44. And do cross multiplication. Then BC equal to 1.4 into 8 equal to 8 4 ja 32. Again 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. 11.2 centimeters. This is the BC value, students. Same as it is. I gave one homework problem. Yes. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. BC equal to 3 centimeters. EF equal to 4 centimeters. And area of triangle ABC equal to 54 square centimeters. Determine the area of triangle DEF. Okay, students, practice carefully and learn carefully and keep in your mind. Yes, observe next model. The areas of two